video. In this video, I'll show you how to insert/edit your tables in Excel when you're viewing data from Salesforce. So once you're logged in, you'll have something called Insert Table. Let's say if I click on this and I wanted to bring all my accounts from Salesforce, I could choose Account. Then I could add some fields like account name, account number, account site, account SLA. So we'll marry up these fields here, account site, and then we'll do SLA here. Alright, so once I've inserted this table like this, what if you wanted to modify something within that table? Let's say instead of SLA you wanted to show account ID. How would you do that? Well, on the right hand side under the build, for every table you create, we will create an entry here. Alright, and what you can do, you can just click edit, and then you can modify the same table. So instead of SLA, I actually want the account ID. So now I can choose ID and click save. And then it gets reinserted. Same way, if anything I want to modify, let's say I've added a certain format and I want to change it, all you would need to do is click on the edit here. You can also delete it like this, but you can also edit it. So remember, once you've inserted it, you should see something under the build like this. You can even add a comment to make it relevant, so you can say account table like this, and then if I save now, you can see that says account, and it will also show you which object it's come from. So if you edit it back again, you know it's your account table. Okay, you can also remove empty table by checking that. So that's how you edit your tables, and then afterwards it's pretty straightforward. You know how to go ahead and refresh it. So you will set up your filters, click preview, and then the preview will hopefully bring some data back directly from Salesforce like this. And that's how you work with tables. That's how you add them, that's how you edit them, and that's how you work with them in a preview. And this is how it's done.